Okay guys, you just made 485% profit. I'm gonna teach you and you're gonna learn how this thing works. You see this coin here, we made 100% profit. I made $10,000. I shared this trade in the private list right here. On Monday 24, we bought this coin for 0.05 cents and we put a sell order up here at 11 cents. I made $10,000, 100%. Now, the way it works is, guys, take a look at this. Volume spike, this candle, volume spike. Take a look at this volume spike. During this time here, the first volume spike was a month ago on March 27, guys. During this time here, what's really happened, the price didn't move much because this is what happened. Buyers and sellers, they have the same volume. So the price doesn't move much because you have the same number of buyers is the same number of sellers. Now, when I share my trade in private list 3 days ago, this is what happened. Buyers control the market, so there is no sellers enough to fight against the buyers. So what happened with the price? The price went up to 14, almost 15 cents, 158%. I put a sell order right here at 11 because we use daily resistance, guys. Let's go to a daily chart. Right there, you see this resistance right here? It's exactly the same spot I put my sell order. I don't control how high the pump goes. A lot of new members ask me the same questions, but this video is to explain to that. Overall today, guys, let me show the trades I share in the private list. Pump and dump. Let's go to pump. Let's go to private list right here. Those trades, the last 3 days we trade Launchpool SASHIMI. Are you serious? Look at this coin name. We don't care for the coin name, guys. We care for the volume. Volume is confirmation. Beyondfi ASD Zamio. Blockchain Cuties University Governance. That's a joke, right? Like I said, those coins, they are like penny stocks. They have no volume. Out of the blue, the volume spike and buyers control the market and the price go up. Let me give you an example here. Sashimi. Let's go back on charts. Sashimi here in the middle. I shared this trade in the private list right here. On April 26, we bought this coin for half cent, guys. And we put a sell order right here at daily resistance 0.008. 50%, I made $5,000. Now, the secret sauce is sashimi. How in this world you gonna trade a coin called sashimi? Let me show you something. This rank, on the rank position, guys. If you go to CoinMarketCap, go to sashimi. Take a look at the rank this coin. 3642. How are you gonna trade a coin on the rank 3642? You never heard about this coin. That's what I do. My software right now is tracking 5,000 coins. So let's go to trend. Take a look at this here. Look how many coins my software picks. This is not a joke, guys. This is a software. I don't have a crystal ball. I have a software and I use this trade bot in my favor. And all I do is print screen my monitor and share in the private list. So the pump and dump time at gmail.com. All those members buy the same coin at the same time and automatically we increase the buyer power. Okay? That's how it's done. By calculate volume spike plus buyer power, I get the coins will pump. If you don't like to trade crypto, we can trade for you. We provide 25% ROI, return of investment, every week. Feel free to reach me out, pumpanduptime@gmail.com. My name is Daniel, I live in South Beach, Miami. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day.